Where are we going? What are we doing?
I'm going to this building over here by factory.
I'm going to that.
As soon as you come across the bridge, I'll be in the first building.
Oh, shit.
Airdrop has
Huh? Okay, thank you. Oh, God, there's a guy here. Oh, my God. There's a guy in the building, isn't there?
No,
there's a guy in the building.
No, I killed him.
Are you
Came
sure?
out. Let's go. Let's go.
Hang on, I gotta get this shit here, dude.
So what do you need? What can I give you?
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. That guy's
Come
probably
here.
got some shit.
Yep.
Can snipe that.
Skill chip ready. Warning. Drone has been deployed. Give up. You can still return to the battle.
We got 38 seconds. Oh, made up.
It's a good stream. We're getting sniped at.
Down to the last 5 teams. The safe zone is collapsing.
I took out one of them.
Your teammate has been killed. Airdrop has been delivered. Your teammate has scanned your dog tag. Wait for the revive flight. The last revive flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Hey, is that Dieter's gun? Ah, fuck. I fucked up. That's the wrong. No,
It's coming.
good work.
Gotta grab some ammo here. Has the locust.
I got 2 light guns. Maybe this is somebody's custom dingo. Oh, custom POW. No, I got 2 light guns.
Your teammates on the revive flight.
You should stay up at me. That dude went. You should let him come out from behind the wall, bro. Unless you're going behind the wall.
I'm behind the wall. He's up on the tower.
They're over here.
And there's one over there. Yep, there's 2.
Skill chips ready for upgrade.
I got light. Here's a poltergeist around me. Oh, he just went up.
The airdrop is coming.
No, that was number 1.
Chip terminal is almost
Oh,
ready.
I got a full team.
Come to us. Come to us.
I'm falling back.
Airdrop
Yep.
has been delivered. Voidwalker active.
No, Dieter, get back, get back, get back, get back. No. Let's hold down one of these
Safe
buildings
zone
or
is
whatever.
collapsing.
In zone. These dudes are. These dudes look nasty. They're all. Yeah. Come up top tower. Here's 400.
Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory.
Okay, come up that zip line, Dieter. They're all coming.
Yeah. Make them come up.
Fuck yeah. Right here. You want sniper or anything? Ooh, I only got 20 anyways.
There they are.
What's up,
There they
Chris?
are. They're coming.
Yep, watch them circle.
There's one of them, Trickster. He's going left. He's going top left. Yep, top left.
Garbage cans.
He's behind that rock right there. Behind that rock right there.
Rewind, one of them's rewind.
Your teammate has been killed.
Fatal, yep. We're in zone. Ah, I dropped my fucking earbud. Alright, what do I got to throw left here? Come on.
Got the whole area on fire. Oh, God.
Shit.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
They're here.
The safe
Oh, there's 2 of them on the second
Your
level.
teammate has been killed.
Plating up. Killing all my shit. Good play. Oh shit. Yeah. Play.
Changing mag! Cover me!
One v2. Got this. Yes, sir. 1v1. Let's go.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Say second or third level. He's hiding up there. Crouching, probably. He's clear up top again. Yep.
The safe zone is collapsing. We have a winner.
Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go!
Sir.
Let's fucking
Yes,
go!
sir. Yeah. Oh, and that was recorded, Mike.
Yes, you
That's
will have
nice.
footage. You will have footage.
Clutch is fuck.